Hey guys, welcome back to the channel JakeWorld035. Let's face it, in 2025, relying on just one income stream is like trying to drive a car with only 3 wheels. It's just not gonna cut it. Whether you're trying to escape the rat race, pay off those student loans faster than a SpaceX rocket, or finally take that dream vacation to Fiji, side hustles are the secret sauce. But hey, I get it. Not everyone has a ton of time or wants to risk their hard-earned cash on some sketchy business opportunity. That's why today, I'm breaking down 6 realistic side hustles that anyone can start this year. We're talking about practical, actionable strategies that can put some serious cash in your pocket. No fluff, no hype, just smart ways to earn extra money on your own terms. This isn't about getting rich quick. This is about building sustainable income streams, gaining financial freedom, and taking control of your future. So, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive into these awesome side hustles. First up, we're diving into the world of freelance microservices. Now, if you're thinking, Graham, I don't have any crazy tech skills, don't worry. This is about leveraging the skills you already have. If you can write a compelling email, edit videos like a pro, design eye-catching graphics, manage social media like a boss, or even just have a voice made for radio, or at least YouTube, you can start making money on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Think of it like this: everyone has a superpower. Maybe you're a spreadsheet wizard, a grammar guru, or a PowerPoint Picasso. Whatever your talent, there's someone out there willing to pay for it. These platforms connect you with clients from all over the world who need help with specific tasks. You set your rates, choose your projects, and work on your own schedule. It's like being your own boss, but without the hassle of actually running a whole company. And the best part, you can start small. Even if you can only dedicate a few hours a week, you could easily make an extra $200 to $1,000 a month once you build up some positive reviews and a solid reputation. That's like paying off a credit card bill or funding that epic vacation you've been dreaming of. Remember, consistency is key in the freelance world. Deliver high-quality work, meet your deadlines, and always be professional. Treat your freelance gigs like a real business and watch your income grow steadily over time. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer, create your profile, and start browsing those gigs. You never know, your perfect side hustle might be just a click away. Next up, we're talking about a side hustle that's all about working smarter, not harder. Print on demand. This is the ultimate passive income stream, and it's easier than you think to get started. Here's how it works. You design awesome products like t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, phone cases, you name it. Then you list those designs on platforms like Printful or Teespring. When someone orders your product, these platforms handle everything else. The printing, the shipping, the customer service, you name it. You literally create once, and then you can sell forever. It's like having your own online store without the inventory headaches or the need to pack and ship boxes all day long. Talk about a dream come true. The real magic of print on demand lies in finding your niche. Think about passionate communities, hobbies, or interests you can tap into. Maybe you're obsessed with dogs, coffee, or astronomy. Design unique and eye-catching products that resonate with those audiences and watch the sales roll in. Remember, quality matters. Invest in creating high-resolution designs that pop. Don't be afraid to experiment with different products and niches to see what resonates best with your target market. And the best part? Once you've created your designs, you can sit back, relax, and watch the passive income flow in. It's like having your money work for you, even while you sleep. So, unleash your inner artist, tap into those creative juices, and start building your print-on-demand empire today. Now let's take a break from the online world and explore some offline gold mines local service hustles. These are all about leveraging your skills and dependability to help people in your community and get paid handsomely for it. Think about it. Everyone needs help with something. Maybe you're a natural with animals and love the idea of pet sitting or dog walking, or perhaps you have a green thumb and enjoy the satisfaction of a perfectly manicured lawn care could be your calling. And with the rise of technology, there's a huge demand for tech support, especially among seniors who might not be as comfortable navigating the digital world. If you're patient, tech-savvy, and enjoy helping others, this could be the perfect side hustle for you. The beauty of local service hustles is that they require little to no startup costs. You're essentially trading your time and skills for cash, and the earning potential is huge. Start by spreading the word in your neighborhood, putting up flyers at local businesses, or joining community Facebook groups. Word of mouth is incredibly powerful, so make sure to deliver exceptional service and ask your happy clients for referrals. With hard work, dedication, and a little bit of hustle, you can easily turn a local service side hustle into a $500 to $1,000 per month gig, all while making a real difference in your community. It's a win-win. Chapter 4. Reselling and Flipping, Turning Trash into Treasure and Profits. Let's be real, who doesn't love a good bargain? Well, with reselling and flipping, you can turn that love of treasure hunting into a lucrative side hustle. It's all about buying low, selling high, and repeating the process for maximum profit. The beauty of reselling is that it can be whatever you want it to be. You can scour thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist for hidden gems, then resell them for a profit. Maybe you have an eye for vintage clothing, rare collectibles, or even just everyday items that are in high demand. The possibilities are endless. And here's a pro tip. Don't be afraid to get a little creative with your sourcing. Check out clearance sections, attend estate sales, or even connect with local businesses that might be looking to offload excess inventory. Once you've acquired your inventory, it's time to list those bad boys online. Platforms like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari make it easier than ever to reach a global audience of eager buyers. Remember, presentation is key. Take high-quality photos, write compelling descriptions, and price your items competitively to attract buyers. And don't forget to factor in shipping costs and platform fees when calculating your profit margins. With a little bit of research, a keen eye for deals, and a knack for sales, you can turn reselling into a seriously profitable side hustle. Who knows, you might even discover a hidden talent for spotting valuable treasures. Chapter 5. Content Creation. Your ticket to online influence and income. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting and potentially lucrative side hustles out there. Content creation. And no, you don't need millions of followers or a Hollywood production studio to make money in this game. In 2025, it's all about short-form video content. Think TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, even faceless YouTube videos where you focus on sharing valuable information or entertaining tutorials. The key here is to find your niche, just like with print on demand. What are you passionate about? What unique knowledge or skills can you share with the world? Maybe you're a fitness fanatic, a beauty guru, a video game aficionado, or a master chef. Whatever your passion, there's an audience out there eager to consume your content. Start by creating high-quality, engaging videos that provide value to your viewers. Don't be afraid to experiment with different formats, styles, and editing techniques. And most importantly, be yourself. Authenticity is key in the world of content creation. As you build your audience and gain traction, you can monetize your content through various avenues like brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or even selling your own products or services. Remember, consistency is key. Post regularly, engage with your followers, and always strive to improve your content. It takes time and effort to build a successful online presence, but the rewards can be life-changing. Chapter 6. Digital Products. Create once, sell forever. Last but not least, let's talk about the holy grail of passive income digital products. This is all about leveraging your knowledge, skills, and expertise to create valuable resources that people can download and consume instantly. Think about it. What are you really good at? What problems can you solve for others? Maybe you're a budgeting whiz and can create a killer budgeting spreadsheet or Notion template. Or perhaps you're a fitness expert and can design effective workout plans or meal guides. The possibilities are endless. You can create ebooks, online courses, templates, stock photos, printables. The list goes on. Once you've created your digital product, you can sell it on your own website through platforms like Etsy or Gumroad, or even offer it as a bonus to your existing audience. The beauty of digital products is that they require minimal overhead. You create them once and they can generate passive income for months, even years to come. It's like having your own little money-making machine. Remember to price your products strategically, offer excellent customer service, and promote your products effectively to reach your target audience. With a little bit of effort up front, you can create a sustainable stream of passive income that allows you to earn money while you sleep. Now that's what I call financial freedom. And there you have it. 6 realistic, actionable side hustles that anyone can start in 2025 to boost their income and achieve their financial goals. Remember, you don't need to be a tech genius, a marketing guru, or a social media influencer to succeed with these side hustles. The real key is to pick one that resonates with your skills, interests, and lifestyle, and then commit to it. Give it 90 days of focused effort, track your progress, learn from your mistakes, and never be afraid to ask for help or advice from others who are already crushing it in your chosen field. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this, and let me know in the comments which side hustle you're most excited to start this year. I'll be replying to everyone in the first 24 hours, so don't be shy. Now go out there and make it happen.